You're a tough cookie.
Ooh, it stings at the
It
edges.
does, right?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bree, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. So I'm going to be getting laser hair removal, I'm going to be getting my nails done, and I'm also going to be doing a treatment on my hair. So if you guys are interested in that, then be sure to keep watching. But before I get into the video, I just wanted to share with you guys a few fragrances that I have been loving recently, and they were sent to me by a fragrance company called Dossier. So if you guys aren't familiar with Dossier, they are a new fragrance company, and all of their fragrances are crafted in France, and all of their scents are inspired by high-end luxury fragrances that you know and love. So the two newest ones that I have from them are Aquatic Coconut, and this one is called Fruity Nerelli. This one is really popular. So I'll start with Aquatic Coconut first. So for me, I love aquatic scents. I like coconut. I like fresh, clean scents. So this is what gravitated me towards this scent. So this one has bergamot, pink pepper, lemon, aquatic accord, lang lang, coconut, musk, cedarwood, tonka bean, and it smells really fresh, and it's definitely a great transitioning scent into going to spring and summer. And it smells like the beach, a fresh coconut. So I'm gonna let you guys know what this scent was inspired by. So this is inspired by the Maison Margiela. Hope I'm pronouncing that right, but it's the Replica Beach Walk. So this smells so good. So if you like fresh aquatic scents like me, then you will definitely love this fragrance. And then Fruity Nerelli has bergamot, nerelli, blackcurrant, strawberry, jasmine, tuberose, orange blossom, vanilla, musk, and cedarwood. And this particular fragrance was inspired by Giorgio Armani My Way perfume. So this smells really good. It has more of a warmer scent than the other one, but still fresh and fruity. And if you guys like the YSL Black Opium scent, the Floriental Vanilla scent is inspired by that one, and this one has mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice, jasmine, orange blossom, cedarwood, vanilla coffee, and patchouli. And this one was one they had sent to me last year. So if you guys are interested in shopping with Dossier, you can use my code BREE10 for 10% off. And then on top of that, they do have a welcome offer of 20% off, which can be used in combination with my 10% discount for a total of 30% off. And then at the last step in checkout, you can select the cash option, which will allow you a $10 sign-on bonus store credit. And then you can also start earning 10% store credit on every order. So again, all the information will be left in the description box, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I get laser hair removal. So I'm getting it on my lip. I think I have like 3 or 2 sessions left. You're supposed to go every 4 to 6 weeks. I have an appointment at 6. It's 5:41 right now. I already did my chin last year, and it works really good. I had good results with it. And so I'm going today. It's literally takes like 30 seconds for them to do it. And so I'm just going to probably just record my reaction or something. It doesn't hurt to me because I have a high pain tolerance, but it's really not that bad. So I'm going to just take you guys along with me.
Your hair looks lovely. Thank you.
That was stronger than last time.
Yes, it is actually.
That's good though. I need
Yeah.
it.
Right down here, do the same thing. Good job. You're a tough cookie.
Ooh, it stings at the
It
edges.
does, right?
Okay, so I just left, and so what she makes you do is if you're getting your lip or, you know, your chin, well, under your lip done. Well, it's technically still called the lip, but whatever. If you're getting that done, you have to put your tongue on the air underneath over your teeth where she's doing it. And you have to do that because I think it helps with the pain. I don't really know how to like explain it, but basically if you didn't put your tongue there, then the laser would go straight to your teeth and it would hurt more. And the last time she did it, we pushed out the appointment a little bit more because I was doing really well and there wasn't really much hair growing. So we pushed it out to the 6-week period because you could do 4 to 6 weeks. So we pushed it out to the 6-week period. And last weekend, I actually noticed that I was getting a little bit of like peach fuzz. And so that's how you know it's time to go, because she doesn't like to take me or anyone, if there's not any hair there, because it's going to be a waste of a treatment. So there has to be actually like hair there when they do it, so that the laser can attach to the hair for it to actually do its job. So she said to me, you know, because my next appointment with her is May 4th, but she said that if I see that there's no hair, to call her, and that will push the appointment out a couple more weeks. So if you're thinking about getting laser, I highly recommend it. I've honestly had good results with it. This is the second treatment area I've gotten. And if you live local, then I would recommend to go to Livy Laser and to get Marcy. I highly recommend her.